Hi, my name's Chris Henderson, and in this video I'll be talking about how to export a project and all the options when exporting a project, which will include sample rate, bit depth and differing. We'll also talk about how to be able to use this project on another PC or laptop. So first, the rendering options. Master being to master the full project as one audio file. All individual tracks, so you can export everything separately for stems for doing mixing and mastering. Selected tracks, so you can only export the tracks you have selected in the project only. So, for example, I can export the kick, clap, and hi hat and nothing else. Or I can pick individual tracks. So, like, if I just wanted to export the kick or the bass or something by itself, I would click this option. The rendering start is where you want to start your rendered audio from, and the render length is how much you want to export from the file, the project. Sorry, the file type, WAV or WAVE stands for Waveform Audio File. WAV is a file extension for audio file format created by Microsoft. The WAV file has become the standard PC audio file format for everything from system and game sounds to CD quality audio. AIFF, or Audio Interchange File Format, is one of the two most used audio files used in the Apple Macintosh operating system. The, the other is Sound Designer 2, or SDII. Most CD writers can accept AIFF or SDII files interchangeably when writing audio CD. AIFF is sometimes referred to as Apple Interchange File Format. So, sample rate. Sample rate is the number of samples of audio carried per second, measured in hertz or kilohertz. 1 kilohertz being 1000 hertz. For example, 44,100 samples per second can be expressed as either 44,100 hertz or 44.1 kilohertz. The reason we use 44.1 kilohertz is because most music is sampled at 44.1 kilohertz, and the standard use for audio CD audio is 44.1 kilohertz. Bit depth. Bit depth is the number of bits of information in each sample, and it directly corresponds to the resolution of each sample. So, for example, in 12-bit, you've got it would be 72.24 decibels with 4096 values played. 16-bit would be 96.33 decibels with 65,536 values. 20-bit would be 120 decibels with 1,048,576 values. 24-bit would be 144 decibels with 16,777,216 values, and so on. Differ is an intentionally applied form of noise used to randomize quantization error, preventing large-scale patterns such as banding color banding in images. Differ is routinely used in processing of both digital audio and video data, and is often one of the last stages of mastering audio to CD. If you render a audio at a bit depth lower than 32-bit, it's best to choose one of the different options or different modes. So I will export this project to an audio file and explain how I can use this project on a different computer to my own computer by using save and collect all in the file menu. The reason we do this is so we can open this project on a different computer without losing any information within the project, as the parts I have within this project may not necessarily be on a different computer. So to bring this window up, you can press the shortcuts Control, Shift and R, which will bring this up. Or I could go to File, Export Audio/Video, and that will export it. For me to use it, to be able to use this project on another computer, I'll click Options, Select Save All, and then I'll get this options. So if you want